Hello everyone, today I am going to share Class 3 IGKO, that is International General Knowledge Olympiad 2021 Set B question paper with all the answers explained. Do check out the playlist for other question papers. Now let's get started. General awareness. Question 1. In which of the following festivals do we generally eat the food item shown in the picture? And the picture is of gujia, delicious sweet. And the right answer here is option B, Holi. Question 2. Rohini has two sons, Rajat and Sujit. That means Rohini is mother of Rajat and Sujit. Akshat is the son of Sujit. And what does it mean? That Rohini has a grandson. How is Akshat related to Rohini? Option A, grandson is the right answer. Question 3. Which of the following plants has taproots? Do you know what is a taproot? A taproot is a large central and dominant root from which other roots sprout laterally. Typically, a taproot is somewhat straight and very thick, is tapering in shape and grows directly downwards. So here, if we see the options, A is rose, B wheat, C rice and D oat. Here wheat, rice and oat, they have fibrous roots. And rose actually has a hybrid root system. This is because they initially have a taproot system in which a primary root grows deep in the soil, but as they mature, they take on a fibrous root system. So here, the only option which has taproot maybe initially is A, and that is the correct option for us, A, rose. Question 4. Which animal has the thickest fur? A, yak, B, sea otters, C, rabbit or D, bear? And the right answer here is option B, sea otters. They have the thickest fur. Question 5. Unscramble the given letters to obtain the name of a capital city. Let's first unscramble this and we will get Imphal. Now select the option that correctly identifies the state it belongs to. Whose capital is Imphal? The right answer is option D, Manipur. Question 6. For which of the following musical instruments is Amjad Ali Khan famous? The right answer here is option B, sarod. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan was born on 9th October 1945. And he is an Indian classical sarod player, best known for his clear and fast akhara dance. Question 7. Which of the following instruments can be used to observe the cells of a leaf? You must have seen that in your biology lab, right? First one is binocs, B is your telescope, C is magnifying glass and D is microscope. And the right answer here is option D, microscope. Question 8. Anita wants to save some of the images from paper to her computer hard disk. Which of the following devices should she use? This is one of the input device. And the right answer here is option B, that is scanner. What does a scanner do? It takes the images from paper we feed to the computer. Question 9. Which is the third largest ocean in the world? And the right answer here is option C, Indian Ocean. The first one is Pacific, then Atlantic and then Indian Ocean. Question 10. Which of the following is measured on Richter scale? The right answer here is option C, earthquake. The Richter scale, also called the Richter magnitude scale, is a measure of the strength of earthquakes. It was developed by Charles Richter in collaboration with Benno Gutenberg. Question 11. How many equal groups of 4 stars each can be formed from the given stars? Let's make the group. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The right answer here is option B, 4. Question 12. Which of the following road signs shows no entry? A, B, C or D? The right answer here is option A. It is no entry sign. B is one-way entry sign. C is no parking and D is no honking. Question 13. Which of these does not move on the road? Truck, it does move on the road. Car, it also moves on the road. Auto rickshaw, yes, I have seen that on the road. D, submarine. Here the right answer is option D because it moves on water, not, or you can say it moves underwater, but not on road. Question 14. How many players play in each hockey team on the field? The right answer is option A, 11. Question 15. The word stalemate is associated with which of the following games? The right answer is option D, chess. A stalemate is a special type of draw in the game of chess that occurs when the chess player who has to move cannot make any legal moves to a safe square but is also not in check. Question 16. Who was the Australian batsman who still holds the record of 99.94 runs for the highest individual test batting average in test matches? The right answer is option A, Sir Donald Bradman. Question 17. Chlorophyll gives green color to? That's the easy one. The right answer is option C, leaves of banyan tree. Chlorophyll is the natural compound present in green plants that gives them their color. It helps plants to absorb energy from the sun as they undergo the process of photosynthesis. Question 18. The doctor who treats children is called? Do you know your doctor? It's called pediatrician. Option D is the right answer. A medical practitioner specializing in children and their diseases is called pediatrician. Question 19. Select the word with the correct spelling which means worried. What is the synonym of worried or nervous? It is anxious. And the right spelling is option C, ANXIOUS. Question 20. Dash is the currency of Australia. Australian dollar is the currency of Australia. So option A, dollar, is the right answer. Moving to the next section, that is current affairs. In this section, this is 2021 question paper. So you'll be seeing old names and everything. But for you, you have to be updated of the year when you are appearing for the examination. Say, if it is 2024 when you are appearing for the exam, you should know what is happening around the world in 2024. Question 21. The current Chief Minister of Punjab is? So ABCD is not applicable here. I'll tell you the right answer, that is Shri Bhagwant Mann. Question 22. When is the National Sports Day observed in India? The right answer is option D, 29th August. Question 23. Dash is the current Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. Again here ABCD, they are not relevant because this question paper is of 2021. And here we are talking about 2024. The right answer here is Dinesh Gunawardena is the current Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. Question 24. Who won the silver medal at the Tokyo Olympics 2020 in women's 49 kg weightlifting category? So this event was a very big event. It was a big milestone for India. The right answer here is option D, Mirabai Chanu. Question 25. What was the theme of International Yoga Day 2021? And for 2021, it was Yoga for Well-being, option B. But if the question comes International Yoga Day 2024, then the theme is Yoga for Women Empowerment. Moving to the next section, that is life skills. Question 26. What should you do when you get injured? A. Take some medicine on your own. That's incorrect. You should have a supervision. B. Talk to some adult. That's correct. That looks right to me. C. Get panicked and start crying. No, that is not the right action you should take. D. Apply salt on the wound. No, it will further hurt. So option B here is the right answer. You should talk to some adult when you get injured. Question 27. Ishita went to a busy market with her mother. She kept running from here and there and got lost in the crowd. What should she do now? Take an auto rickshaw and go to the friend's house? Ask a policeman in the market for help? Ask a stranger for help? Go to some restaurant and relax. Here the right answer should be, or the right action should be, option B. Ask a policeman in the market for help. Question 28. Which of the following actions one should not take during a flooding or potential flooding event? A. Move to a higher ground or a higher floor. Stay off bridges over fast moving water. Swim through moving water. Listen to radio, TV emergency alert systems for instructions. Here the right answer is option C. One should not swim through moving water during a flooding or potential flooding event. Question 29. Which of the following is morally wrong? A. We should not do things just because all our friends are doing them. Correct. B. We should try to be nice to even those people whom we do not like. Correct. We should get angry with our friends or siblings when they do not agree with us. That is not correct. That is morally wrong. We should encourage our friends to participate in all school activities. That is also correct. So, option C would be our answer, which is morally wrong. Question 30. If you go for a safari in a national park, you should A. Carry homemade food items with you to feed animals. B. Throw stones at animals. C. Play loud music to entertain animals. D. Get an officially registered nature's guide who will help you in spotting wildlife. And D is the right answer, what you should do when you go for a safari in a national park. Moving to the next section or the last section, that is achiever section, it carries double marks for each question. So please be cautious. Question 31. If pizza plus cold drink equal to rupees 215, 2 Coke cans plus burger equal to rupees 245 and 4 burgers equal to rupees 180, then you have to find the cost of one pizza. So how do we do that? Let's see. So one upfront thing which we have is 4 burgers equal to 180 rupees. So I'll just write burger as B. 4B equal to 180 rupees. So 1 burger, that is 1B, will be equal to 180 divided by 4, which is equal to 45. Now we know the value of 1 burger. Let's put that in the second equation. That's right. So now what do we get? We get that 2 cans. I'll write cans as C. 2C plus 135. How do we get 135? It's 45 plus 45 plus 45 is equal to 245. Okay. So 2C plus 135 is equal to 245. Now what would be 2C? 2C would be 245 minus 135, which is equal to 110. Now if 2 cans equal to 110, so 1 can will be equal to 55 rupees. Now we have the value of can also. We'll put that value in the first equation. Let's do that. Okay. Now 2 pizzas plus 55 rupees is equal to 215. Now 2 pizzas will be equal to 215 minus 55, which is equal to 160 rupees. So 1 pizza will cost you 160 divided by 2. That is 80 rupees. Here the right answer is option D, 80 rupees. Question 32. Which of the following does not belong to the category of input devices? A is scanner, and that is input device. B is mic, that is also input device. C is a speaker, which is not an input device, rather it is an output device. So we got our answer. D is mouse, that is also input device. So option C is the right answer for us. Question 33. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1 has both and column 2 has number of players in each team on a court or field. A basketball, and it has 9 players in each team. So A matches 4. B cricket, it has 11 players in each team. B matches 1. C is basketball, it has 5 players in each team on a court. So C matches 2. D polo, it matches 3, which has 4 players in each team. So the right option here is option B, A4, B1, C2 and D3. Question 34. Which of the following statements are incorrect? First, frog chews its food with strong teeth. Incorrect, because it swallows it. 2. Dodo is an extinct bird. That is correct. 3. Taco is a traditional Japanese dish. That is incorrect. Taco is a traditional Mexican dish and sushi is traditional Japanese dish. So this is incorrect. 4. There are 7 union territories in India. That is also incorrect. There are 8 union territories in India. So for us the right option is option C, which is 1, 3 and 4 are incorrect. Question 35. Select the correct match. We have books and their authors. We have to see which is the right match. A. Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Author Jeff Kenny. And we already got our answer because that is absolutely right. So A is the right answer. But let's see the others also. B. Matilda. This is incorrect because author is Roald Dahl. C. Henry Freedom Box. This is also incorrect. The author is Ellen. And D. The Legend of Spud Murphy. The author is Coffer. So only the correct option is A. With this, we have successfully solved our Class 3 IGKO 2021 Set B question paper. Stay tuned and check out the other playlist also.